Let's go. So it's gonna run through the checklist. So then it's schematic drawing. Here. So then build the circuit. Just need my LED. Resistor. Bring that other back. Probably here. And here. So yep. So circuit built. Nodes. So this node here, it's responded with this node over here with the red wire and the LED. So this one here, that's responded for a LED and a resistor, and this node here, that's a resistor with the negative term. So the standard sockets works like that. So if I move the positive term through this row, the lights goes on. So it showed me this row is electricity connected. But if I put this in this socket over here, I don't see the light. So it shows me that this channel over here, it's not electricity connected with this part of breadboard. Same if I put this in a different socket over here. So there's only this row over here, row 6, if it's visible. So for the rail sockets, I just need to move my terms. I'll put this here, and then some spare wire. So yeah, the rail sockets works like that. If I'm gonna move the wire through this rail, this positive rail over here, the lights goes on. So it shows me that I have a electricity connect. So this rail electricity connected over here. Same with the negative term. If I'm gonna move this along this rail, the LED goes on. So in my circuit, electricity flows from a battery pack through the red wire to the positive rail, from the positive rail to the black wire, from the black wire to the low level LED, create the light. Then from the LED to this row over here, row 11. From this row, it flows from through the resistor. From a resistor to the black wire. From the black wire to the negative rail, and from the negative rail back to the battery pack through the negative term. So I'm just gonna put the second LED. Yep.
That's right.
Probably wrong side. Yeah. So now I have to move this a little bit here, and gonna put this wire over here to make the first LED bypassed. So, yep. Here we go. So the second lead was added and first bypassed. And checklist shown and updated during the video.